Hello fit friends and welcome to my channel. I am Holly, a certified personal trainer, and this is a video to help you get in great shape without any weights needed. So if you want to get a killer workout without needing a bunch of dumbbells or machines, something you can do anywhere, this is the workout for you, and that's because we're using a weighted vest just like this. So one simple piece of equipment. I want to show you a bunch of different exercises that you can do and explain some of the great reasons behind using a weighted vest and how it can benefit you. So this particular one is from ProsourceFit.com. This is the 12-pound one. They have everything from 6 pounds to 20 pounds. I particularly like this one because it is really small, it's simple, it's not bulky, so it's not an adjustable one. You can't add weights to it. Like some you can add and take out sandbags. This is just the weight that it is, but I like it because it's very compact, it's easy to wear. This vest is $39.99 for this particular weight, and you can find it at ProsourceFit.com. But if you use code HOLLY15, you will get an extra 15% off of that, so it's a great deal on a really quality vest. So let's go ahead and dive right in, get in this workout. I'll show you some of my favorite exercises that you can do with a weighted vest, and at the end I'll explain more of the benefits, how to use it, what you can do with it, and why it's so great for your fitness. Alright, so let's go. So you can do this when you're traveling, you can do this at home, you don't have to go out to a gym, you can go outside, you can do it in your home, whatever's easiest. So one of the great reasons to use it is it helps you just change up your workout. It's going to distribute the weight differently, obviously, because you're wearing it on your body instead of holding it in your hands or pressing it with your legs. So it's a great way to change up the way that you work out and challenge your body in a new way. This is also great for if you have any type of upper body injury and it's hard for you to hold weights. For instance, I have a client who had a recent shoulder injury, and it's really hard for her to hold heavy weights on things like a squat or a lunge or anything like that. And so it's been very challenging to get her weight heavy enough for her legs, but where it's not going to damage her shoulder any further. So we've been using this weighted vest on her to enable her to increase her weight, so she has that added 12 pounds without actually having to hold it with her hand. So this is a great way to do that. Of course, it is also a great way to work on your strength and stamina. If you're lifting a bunch of extra weight when you're working out, whether it's a sprint or it's a plyometric or it's a push-up, it's going to make it a lot harder and challenge your body more, so you're automatically going to increase your strength, and it's also going to build that endurance and stamina for you because you're learning to work with more weight on your body. So when you take it off, it's going to feel that much easier. So it's a really great way to challenge yourself, push your endurance, push your strength. So I hope that was a helpful workout for you. Good tips on exercises that you can try incorporating into your workout. And of course, you can always bring it to a gym and add on here, add some weights, add it to your squats, add some kettlebells or dumbbells to whatever you're doing to make it much harder on you. But make sure to progress slowly, make sure that safety is first. So take your time, work your way in, just do a few exercises at a time, a few reps at a time. And as you build, you can move up to 15, 20 reps and maybe a few sets of each, or you can do all of those exercises in a circuit, whatever suits you best. Make sure you also get a vest that fits well. It should be nice and snug against your body, not hanging down too much, and make sure you get something that's adjustable so you can tighten it or loosen it according to what you need. So just take your time, work your way in, practice these movements, and always make sure that you're using proper form. Try and do these in front of a mirror, or use your camera if you want something so you can see and make sure that you're doing things safely and properly. If you have any questions about how to do things correctly, or any other questions or comments on this video, please leave them down below. And as a reminder, you can get this weighted vest from ProsourceFit.com at 15% off with code Holly15. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again here soon.